What have I done? What have I done? The hell did I do? I just dropped cash on this nasty looking 96 Land Cruiser. This old ass 1996 Toyota Land Cruiser. It has 170,000 miles and it needs a lot of work. Obviously, I'm gonna need to get a paint job. Some people say, screw the paint job, you're gonna wheel it anyway. But unfortunately, I can't have something like this and drive my family around, because no one in my family is gonna wanna drive with me. Looks like it's gone wheeling. Those are pinstripes, or maybe it was keyed, I'm not sure. Cannot tell. Why did I buy this? Oh yeah, I bought it because the 80 series Land Cruiser is the last Land Cruiser to have solid front axles, and this particular Land Cruiser is triple locked. That means it has front, center, and rear lockers. That's the only reason I bought this. If you are shopping for an 80 series Land Cruiser, you're gonna know that the prices are all over the place. They range from below $5,000 to mid-teens. Am I having buyer's remorse? Maybe a little bit, because I have a lot of work to do. I need to get a paint job. I need to decide what I want to do about the bumper. I don't know what the hell they were doing here. I don't know what the hell that is. Either keep the bumper stock, get a new cover because it's all messed up, or cough up the dough for a ARB. I don't know why they chose to replace the turn signal lamps with a clear one when they have yellow. I don't know what the hell that's about, so I'm gonna have to replace that. I think I want to stick with the original yellow. These tires are nasty. Who knows how old these tires are? The wheels were recently painted really bad, so I'll either repaint them or strip it. I don't want to get new wheels. I don't want to spend any more money. I don't have a tow hitch. I would really want a tow hitch. Missing the wiper arm. It's got a factory rack, which is fine because I don't intend to get a new rack. I'll just put a basket on top of that guy. As I said earlier, it has 170,000 miles, which is low for a 80 series Land Cruiser, but from what I've been reading, you never know when 80 series Land Cruiser is going to need a new head gasket. I have zero records. I called all the dealerships in town. I put the VIN number in the Toyota website. Nothing came back, which is really strange. I found out where they bought it, but there's no service records in the system, so I'm not sure how the hell that happened. Oh man, it's nasty. The interior is nasty. However, I've seen worse. I'll clean it up and cover it up, and when I have the money I will go ahead and get some covers, those nice leather covers that look stock. Dirt everywhere. Dirt everywhere. I got stuff from chemical guys. Hopefully that'll clean up this mess. The previous owner just replaced the radiator and the fan clutch. So that's a plus. The jump seats are still back here. Unfortunately, this one doesn't latch very well. This one still does. If I'm going to use this for camping, I probably won't need these jump seats because I'll need all this space for my gear. Let me start the engine for you. Another reason why I picked it up is I did a block test. I rented a block tester and got the chemical, and it passed. I did it multiple times. The chemical did not turn yellow. I know that's probably some type of amateurish way to test something. Aside from that, oh man, the steering wheel is nasty. Aside from that, the previous owner allowed me to change the spark plugs, or allowed me to inspect the spark plugs, and I, as an incentive, I told him I would change it. And all the spark plugs looked like they had normal wear. Nothing was greasy. I checked on the internet, compared the spark plugs to different spark plug coloring, and as far as I can tell, the plugs look like they had normal wear. Oh man, no cup holder. Look at this nastiness. Nasty. So block test is fine, spark plugs look fine, no white smoke from the tail, and relatively low miles. Plus the fact that it's triple locked. I know, don't just rely on that knob. You gotta check the knob, you gotta check the number on the side of the car. K294 right here. K294 means it's triple locked from the factory. Okay, so in my amateur opinion, the engine is sound. It's triple locked, low miles. And the AC is cold. So here we go. I drove it for a good maybe 20 miles when I borrowed it. And it did well. Needs a brake job, which I'll take care of. Like I said, the AC is cold. Oh man, that's cool. It's nice to have a sunroof for the first time in a long time. I think there's hope. I think there's hope. Here's the engine. New radiator, new fan clutch. Need a battery strap. Looks relatively clean. I forgot to mention the other reason I bought this guy was the previous owner installed a old man emu suspension. I can't tell if it's new or not, but that alone is worth around $800 MSRP. When shopping for a 80 series, check the knuckles, see how bad they are leaking. So that doesn't look good to me. I've been studying tons of videos on changing that out. Kit's about 125 bucks, and it's probably going to be a day's work for me. Who knows, maybe more. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to follow me on my journey in restoring this Land Cruiser to a respectable looking 4x4, like, comment, and subscribe to Mission Off-Road. You can also follow me on my 4x4 exploits on Instagram at Mission Off-Road or FJ Gear. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.